Hi friends, very good morning all of you. So I am back with the most awaited video of every CA intermediate and CA IPCC student who's writing exam in this May 2021. Since the results, maybe around 10 days, 15 days back, we have got the results. Many students are asking, Pawan sir, we need a study plan. So I have prepared a study plan to complete all the subjects, all the chapters for both Group 1 students, Group 2 students of CA Intermediate and also CA IPCC. So today I will tell you a plan where you can complete the syllabus within less than 40 days. Today, I am going to start the study plan from 10th April onwards. So today I am making this video on 6th April. Okay, so from 6th April we'll start this, and 4 days of buffer is given to you to understand the timetable and all. If you are in the middle of something, you complete that work, no need to stop it in between. Say for example, you have started costing and you are in the middle. So before 9th April, finish off everything. From 10th April, we are going to start our new study plan. So shall we look at it? Okay, see here, I have 6 documents on the screen. Okay, are you able to see the 6 documents on the screen? Okay, first one is CA Inter both the groups from 10th April. Second one is CA Inter Group 1. Third one is CA Inter Group 2. Fourth one is CA IPCC both the groups. Next one is CA IPCC first group, CA IPCC second group. Okay, so we are starting with the 10th April, and the beauty of this is that 22nd May ICAI exams are starting, isn't it? When ICAI exams are starting, 22nd May. So 3 days before ICAI exams, I am stopping this schedule. That means you will follow this schedule up to maybe around 19th or 18th, and from 10th April till 19th May, whatever the 40 days it is, you will complete the syllabus, you will write the examinations, and also I have given enough ample time for mock test and revision. I have given enough time for mock test and revision as well. So for example, I am showing this CA Intermediate Group 2. You will get these study plans. You will get the study plans from our CAP classes Telegram channel, or you can text me on my WhatsApp number. It will be available to you. Or the best thing is, we have developed a fantastic Android app, CAP classes Android app. You can download it from it's not only Android app, it works in iOS also. It's basically a mobile app. So if you are using Android phone, download CAP classes from Google Play Store. If you are using iPhone, from App Store also, you can download this CAP classes app. Okay, and these schedules are given free of cost there. Okay, all these things, whatever I am going to deal with this in this video, everything is free of cost. Okay, so if you look here, it is CA Inter May 2021 exams के लिए study plan for Group 2. When are we starting? We are starting on 10th April. So 10th April happens to be a Saturday, and every day, if you are a student who is appearing for one group exam, you have to read minimum 5 to 6 hours a day. Minimum 5 to 6 hours a day. Some students who are over enthusiastic, they'll say, Pawan sir, we are ready to work for 10 hours, 12 hours, 14 hours also, study plan though and all. But I'll tell you one thing. It is not the quantity, it is the quality and the consistency. So what works in CA exams, in preparation, it should be quality of your preparation and consistency. Even if you read 14 hours a day like a mad, blindfold hard work, it might not give you any results. Be smart. So I do depend, I completely rely on hard work. I never rely on the luck. Having said that, the hard work should not be blindfold hard work. It should be smart work. It should be smart work. So I am telling you, if you are a student who is appearing for single group, you have to read from 4 to 6 hours a day. That is enough. Maybe 1 week, 2 weeks before exam, it goes to 5 hours, goes to 6 hours, that goes to 8 hours, that goes to 10 hours. That is up to you. Natural. Let it be natural. Don't push yourself. Don't stress yourself. नहीं आज मुझे इतने सारे घंटे पढ़ना है. So that never gives you any result. Just start with baby steps, 4 hours, 5 hours, enough. So to enable you to start this preparation properly, what I have done, every day you will read only one subject, underline only one subject if you are a single group student. If you are appearing for both the groups, then you will have to read 2 subjects a day, one from group 1, one from group 2. You understand? So every subject I have divided into 5-6 parts. Every subject I have divided into 5-6 parts. Say for example, take auditing. Here, auditing and assurance is there. Nature of auditing, nature, objective and scope of the audit, the first chapter, audit strategy, audit planning and audit program. These 3 chapters you will read first day. That's all. Only 3 chapters. So if you have any study material, for example, if you look at my study material, CAP classes, what I give to the students, these 3 chapters put together will not even be 40 papers. Will not even be 40 papers. So even if you read it 10 to 12 pages an hour, so comfortably within 4 hours you can complete these 3 chapters. Even if you have doubts in these 3 chapters also, maybe it will take 6 hours of time for you, not more than that. So within 5 to 6 hours comfortably you can do that. How to schedule a day in a day of 24 hours as a student, how to schedule your day, I have already made a video and that is available in YouTube channel. You can see. So how to schedule your day and all, morning how to study, afternoon how to study, evening how to study, how many hours to sleep, how many hours to study, everything I have given in a different video. The agenda of this video is not your day sheet of 24 hours. That is a separate topic. So coming back, first day, you are doing this in audit. Second day of the audit, which happens after 5 days. Why? 5 parts are there, no? Advanced accounting is there, auditing is there, then EIS and SM I have divided it into 2 papers because many people feel EIS is a dry topic and difficult. So I have given more time for that. And then FM and ECO is 1 paper. So I have 4 subjects, 5 papers for us. Okay, 5 or 4 papers, 5 subjects for us. Okay, then next day you are reading audit documentation 230, which is easy, audit evidence 500, which is easy, risk assessment and internal control 300 series, which is again easy, audit in automated environment 4 topics. First. Then next day of audit, which comes after 5 days, the fraud and responsibilities of the auditor. Okay, just that SCA 240 and small topic is there. It is a chapter but a small topic. Then the company audit, which is very important. Then the next day you are doing, audit report 7 series, audit of items of financial statements, which is typically vouching verification and audit of, this share capital financial statement items. That is also easy. And then finally you are doing the last one, audit of banks, audit sampling, analytical review procedures. And in the last trench, you are doing audit of different types of entities, audit of clubs, audit of hotels, audit of educational institutions, government audit, PSU audit, all this, this NGO audit, all this stuff will be there here. That's all. So auditing is divided into 6 parts. Comfortably you are doing this. And when our schedule is going to end? On 8/5. That means we are starting on 10th. We are starting on 10th April. We are ending on 8th May. So it's not even 30 days properly. Then I'll give you 2 days of time for mock exams. 2 days time is given for you to prepare for mock exams, and writing mock exams is mandatory, I'm telling you. Writing even any test series, I strongly recommend write test series. Question papers, take question papers, write the exam. Otherwise, you are preparing, but you do not know how to present answers. Many students, the problem is not in your preparation. The problem is in how will you present the answer in the examination. If you do not know the technique, even when you prepare properly also, you will fail. So then mock exams in the reverse order I have given. First you will write FM and ECO. Next you will write EISSM. Next you will write audit and assurance. Next you write advanced accounting. So that when you are, approaching ICAI exams, 22nd May ICAI exam is there, no? Then you are fully equipped with advanced accounting. And then 4 days of time is given to you. Tuesday, 18/5, 19/5, 25, 21/5, preparation for ICAI exams. After that, comfortably you can write ICAI exams. Isn't this? So I tell you personally, you might feel Pawan sir only prepared this schedule, Pawan sir only saying the schedule is great, but I tell you one thing, it is not that I am blowing my own trumpet, but I'll tell you one thing, as an academician with 15 years of experience, I tell you, there cannot be a better plan than this. You show me a better plan, from next batch onwards, I will suggest that to the students if you show me a better plan. But trust me, whatever the nature of or the category of student you are, there cannot be a better plan than this. There cannot be a better plan than this. So this is how we are preparing. You understand? This is how we are preparing. Okay. So now we have the papers for all the category, as I told you. For example, if you are writing IPCC both the groups, and that will be last attempt, and it is very crucial. So if you are writing IPCC both the groups, look here. Look here. So same, the starting date is same, 10/4. Ending date is same. And you will write all these exams also. This mock test also, I have given enough time. Mock exams also, I have given enough time. So daily you will be doing one paper from group 1, like accounting you are doing here, or say for example here you are doing taxation, and here you are doing SM. So taxation is heavy. So morning when you have done taxation, your mind will be at 1200 degrees centigrade temperature. Then evening SM, thanda thanda cool cool. So just you will read one chapter so that it compensates. One heavy topic if you are reading, one simple and small topic. And ethics, you are doing full portion, and evening you will do company audit. Accounting, amalgamation you will do, and evening departmental accounts you will do. Departmental accounts comparatively is easier if you see. Then tax morning you are doing, and evening preparation for mock test. So there is no schedule in the last day. And accounting, if you are doing accounting for bonus issue, internal reconstruction, auditing and assurance, verification of assets and liabilities. So one heavy topic, one light topic. I have taken that care also. I have taken that care also. One heavy topic, one light topic, one group 2, one group 1. If it is possible, I have done one problematic paper, one theory paper also. So this is how you have to prepare. So what are you waiting for? So you have asked me study plan though. I have prepared study plan. So today I told you I am making this video on 6th April. Maybe within 1-2 days this study plan will be there, available everywhere. Available everywhere in the sense in our social media, in if you want it through app, Cap Classes app you can download, and this can be seen free of cost, and in our Telegram channel it will be there. So any mode you want, like in WhatsApp, we'll send this. So please prepare according to this, and don't forget we do have subject wise, topic wise test series for just 299 rupees. So the papers will be evaluated, question papers will be sent to you. You need to write the answers, you need to scan the answers and send it through email, and we'll evaluate that, and evaluated copy will be sent to you along with the comments. What are the normal mistakes you are doing and all will be told in the paper, so that you can improvise yourself. So take study plan, take test series if you want, prepare properly, write the exams, and hit the bullseye. That's all. So I wish you all the very best. I'm very happy to announce that I'm giving this free study plan, and the rest is your responsibility. My responsibility is over. I prepared, I'll upload this. Now your responsibility starts. Another 40 days. Next 40 days or 50 days. Maximum 50 days you have till the exam, not more than that. Okay. So this 50 days, be consistent, be disciplined, be regular. Don't be over enthusiastic, or don't run behind targets and objectives. I understand there are some studious students, but still it happens. One day you will not be able to study, another day you will compensate. So don't take studies too seriously. Take studies sincerely. Don't be too serious, because it creates stress. Be sincere. Be sincere. Be answerable to your consciousness. Aram se. Happily you can do all this. You understand? So as I told you, my duty is over. Now it is your turn. All the best. God bless you. And I want to see all of you and your families with a smiling face on the date of results. Thank you. God bless you.